80% of Americans are now using dietary supplements, according to a survey by the Council for Responsible Nutrition. That's an increase of 7% since 2020. And most of us who are taking supplements are taking a multivitamin mineral product. How about you? Are you taking supplements for your overall health? Choosing a quality multivitamin that is safe, tested, and reliable, and that also contains the appropriate ingredients in the right ratios can be overwhelming. Pharmacies and health food stores have shelves and shelves of supplements. So how do you choose what's best for you? Often you end up walking out of the shop either empty-handed or with a handful of bottles of single nutrients, with no idea how much to take of each. My name is Robin Thomas, and I'm the founder of Living Well Connections and a healthy lifestyle advisor with USANA Health Sciences. I worked for 25 years in medical research right here at UNC School of Medicine. Almost 19 years ago, I left my laboratory position and I started my own wellness business. Since then, I've been able to help hundreds of people create a healthy life that they love. It may seem reasonable that a consistently healthy and varied diet could provide all the vitamins and minerals we need for optimal health. The problem is, except for a very few of us, we simply aren't getting the nutrition we need. The average American gets less than 3 servings of fruits and vegetables each day, when dietary guidelines call for at least 5 or up to even 13 servings. The human body is amazing. We're made up of trillions of cells from our skin to our bones and every organ inside of us. These cells take in nutrients from food, convert those nutrients into energy, and carry out specialized functions. The cells in our body have thousands of chemical reactions occurring within them as they grow and as they function. For these chemical reactions to work efficiently, they need nutrients in the right concentrations, balance, and form. So we now know that nutrients don't work on their own in any of these pathways. It takes a balance of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients to make these reactions work well. When I was working in research here at UNC Medical School, we focused on one pharmaceutical compound at a time to determine its effect on one single health outcome. But when we compare that to nutritional science, looking at one single nutrient, when a combination of nutrients are needed in a metabolic pathway, the results are inconclusive. In other words, they're testing a combination of nutrients at the same time and comparing them to a control group, measuring numerous biochemical and metabolic outcomes. This is much, much more difficult and time-consuming, but in this way, we will learn the complete picture of our nutritional needs. Besides protein, carbs, and healthy fats to provide energy and building blocks for your body, we clearly need essential vitamins to survive and be healthy. Yeah, vitamins are essential for human life. Vitamins act as coenzymes that help spark cellular chemical reactions. And without vitamins, these vital reactions don't happen efficiently, or they don't happen at all. Minerals are atoms or ions, elements found generally in soil. Now, lucky for you, you don't have to eat dirt for your minerals. Plants actually do a really good job of extracting minerals from the soil. You need minerals for cellular metabolism and also to build bodily structures. So this is when you're building your bones and your blood or turning the food you need that you eat into energy. Also, certain plant nutrients can help communicate with your cells and either stimulate or reduce some of these pathways. For simplicity, we call them phytonutrients. Phyto meaning plant-based. phytonutrients are interesting, important, and valuable to your health. So, how does this help us choose a daily multivitamin that has the proper balance of nutrients that we can trust? I'm going to be going through 10 different features that I look for in a multivitamin mineral product. The first one is all about immune support, because haven't we all been being very interested in supporting our immunity? And frequently the reason people are starting on any kind of nutritional supplement now is because they want to support their immunity. So there are lots of ways we can support our immune system throughout lifestyle choices and foods we eat. But here we're looking at multivitamins. So we want to look at what levels of nutrients it has that are known to support a healthy immune system. Vitamin D, iodine, vitamin C, E, and the B complex vitamins. We want them all in bioavailable form. Zinc and selenium are great minerals, and curcumin is one of the phytonutrients that is found in a lot of multivitamins that really supports immune health. Bone health. Having healthy bones is important for both men and women. And it's much more than just simply taking calcium now. It requires a distinct balance between calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. And the vitamins D3 and K2 are also extremely important. Vitamin D supports the absorption of calcium into the blood, and vitamin K2 is critical for signaling the deposit of calcium into bones and teeth and not along our arterial walls. Speaking of such, heart health. The vast majority of studies on heart health have been done with individual nutrients or a small subset of dietary supplements. But a recent study used a blended multivitamin, multimineral, and multi-phytonutrient supplement. It was published in the Journal of Food and Nutrition Sciences, and it showed significant improvements in cardiometabolic biomarkers than the control in this study. This study is a great example of how a balanced system of nutrients works together in synergy better than each individual nutrient. Liver health or detoxification. You know, we're all exposed to toxins these days of all kinds, and we want to be able to detox that very well. Now, glutathione is a very important molecule found in every cell of your body, but it's 7 to 10 times higher in liver cells than anywhere else. And that's because of its vital role in metabolizing toxins that need to be removed from your body. Glutathione has the ability to attach to toxins, flagging them as hazardous and helping them be removed. Now, since glutathione is a protein, it's very hard to absorb from your food or directly from a supplement. But fortunately, your body makes it. And it uses the building blocks. It's just 3 amino acids: glycine, cysteine, and glutamate. So when you're exposed to toxins, the toxins actually signal your body to start forming more glutathione. Also, specific phytonutrients can also signal this production of glutathione. And all this happens as long as there's enough cysteine available. So having some cysteine in your supplement is an actually good thing. Metabolic health. Now, better known as blood sugar control or glucose control. As we get older, it becomes even more important to manage our blood sugar levels. This is another great example of how a system of balanced nutrients works together in synergy better than each individual nutrient. Along with important dietary and lifestyle changes, the following nutrients help our body respond to insulin much more efficiently. And it helps regulate our blood sugar. So we need the B vitamins, C, E, D, iodine, biotin. We need all these vitamins and minerals and also phytonutrients. Inflammation. Yeah, chronic inflammation. It's a problem. It's a problem for almost all of us. The research lab I was working in focused on inflammation and its relationship to chronic autoimmune and degenerative diseases. We can add lots of antioxidants in our diet, but that doesn't seem to help as much as being able to lower inflammation at the cellular level. Now, fortunately, again, when our body has the correct nutrients, it's able to do this. Certain plants and plant nutrients have been shown to act like a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory. And there's also some cell signaling going on that actually increases endogenous antioxidants that your body makes inside your cell. Healthy aging. Now this kind of goes right along with the inflammation, because as you age, your cells age too. And the cellular aging is caused by inflammation, caused by oxidative stress, it's caused by DNA issues, but it's also caused by lessening of autophagy. And what is autophagy? I call autophagy our recycling process. It's a way where the cell is able to break down some of the proteins, the damaged proteins and the damaged organelles inside of it, and then build up again new cells, new organelles to make it much more efficient and a fresh new start. It also needs plenty of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients to do this. But this gives, these endogenous antioxidants gives long-lasting support for aging cells. So it helps us like maybe age a little less. A little bit more about autophagy. Like I said, I call it nature's recycling program. Many people choose a multivitamin only to prevent vitamin deficiencies or close the gaps in nutrition. But the new research is showing the importance of supporting our health proactively. And supplements that do contain those specific phytonutrients beyond the standard collection of vitamins and minerals target biochemical reactions that are vital for our overall health. One way to support a healthy balance of this cellular recycling, this autophagy, is by introducing specific low-dose concentrations of phytonutrients. Now, the last two features I want to talk about pertain to any kind of multivitamin that you're buying. I want you to be extremely careful for these two. One is toxicities, because multivitamins contain nutrients that could very well be toxic when they're at higher levels. It's important to choose a supplement that is third-party tested and verified to ensure that the levels on the label match what's in the supplement. You don't want any nutrients, especially those fat-soluble vitamins, A, E, D, and K, and certain minerals, especially certain like iron. You don't want too much iodine. You know, a lot of it, you want the right amount, but you don't want too much of it. So when you don't want that, you want to make sure that you're safe. I mean, that's the most important thing. And so upper limits can be found at the National Institute of Health Office of Dietary Supplements. And I will put a link there at the end of this thing. It's also best to talk with your physician before taking any nutritional supplement, especially if you have any underlying conditions. Quality control. Faulty manufacturing practices cause multivitamins to have too much or too little of a nutrient, or increase the possibility of contamination by pesticides, heavy metals, or even microorganisms. It's best to purchase from a company that manufactures its supplements in an FDA-registered facility and then voluntarily follows good manufacturing practices that are required for pharmaceuticals. In this way, they're expected to guarantee the identity, the purity, and the composition of their supplements. It's important to be confident that what is on the label is actually in the supplement. So before you buy, check with the manufacturer for third-party certifications. My favorite ones and most popular all around are Consumer Labs, NSF, and USP. Whew! I realize this has been a lot of information, but whether you take a multivitamin or not is up to you. But if you do decide to support your healthy diet and lifestyle with nutritional supplements, be sure to do your research. I realize that this is only a video and you probably have plenty of questions. That's why I'm offering a free 30-minute consultation where we will be able to discuss your own health goals and your own needs. Simply sign up at meetrobin.me. You'll find times on my online calendar where I'm going to be able to and happy to give you the personal attention you deserve. Hey, this is Robin again. I just wanted to make sure you got the link for setting up a time to chat with me. This is just a very gentle consultation, answering your questions and finding out how I can help you get started on a healthy life right now. Lots of times, the biggest question people ask me is, what am I doing? What am I taking? And I am taking a product from USANA called USANA Cell Essentials. The USANA Cell Essentials does meet all the features I talked about in this talk. So if you want to know more about that, I'm happy to talk to you more about USANA Cell Essentials and its patented intelligence complex. But that's not the only place that you can meet with me and see me and my partner, Mary Kopak. We're going to be at the Wellness Day, and we are at the Wellness Day for UNC. Every year they have it. But also, we're on the UNC Employee Benefits and Discounts website under Health and Wellness. So take a gander, take a glance at that, or visit us at tarheels.usana.com. Mary and I have been partners for quite a few years, and we love helping people. That is our goal. So I'm looking forward to meeting you at the Wellness Day or meeting you on the phone. Take care.